Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe for payment processing in SaaS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Stripe for payment processing in your SaaS application, begin by visiting the Stripe website. Click on the sign up button located at the upper right corner of the homepage. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Once you have filled in these details, click on the Create Your Account button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Stripe. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your address. After verification, return to the Stripe website and log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Stripe dashboard. Fill out the required business information about your SaaS application. This includes the business name, address, and website URL. Next, provide details about your business type, such as sole proprietor or corporation. Follow this by entering your business phone number. Stripe will ask for information regarding your product or service offerings. Provide a brief description of what your SaaS application does. You will also need to specify how you plan to use Stripe, such as for subscriptions or one-time payments. Proceed to enter your personal information, including your name and address. This information is required for verification purposes. After completing your details, Stripe will require your banking information. This is necessary to set up how you will receive payouts from your customers. Input your bank account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid delays. Once this step is complete, review all the information you entered. Confirm that everything is correct before submitting your registration. Click on the Submit button to finalize your registration. You may be required to verify your identity further. Follow the prompts to upload any necessary identification documents. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.